is the jam from 1995, Who Can I Run To by Xscape. So, you can see these cassettes, right? You see this cassette. The music that I love and listen to had to have at least been on a cassette before. Maybe even an album, maybe even an 8-track. So this is Malinda with Bump That Jam, and today I have a tutorial for a line dance off of Xscape's Who Can I Run To. I call this dance Sultry. Okay, so I'm going to teach it facing with my back facing you so that you can see my movement. It's not even a hard dance. It's 32 counts, and it's a front wall dance, so that means that you never start the top of the dance on any wall except the front wall. We do a little spinning, little turnings here and there, but at the end, once those 32 counts are over, you're back on that front wall. So here we go. It starts off, all right, so you start off with a step and push on your right leg. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Let's do it together. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. One more. Right foot, right and left. Next move. Out step cross on the right foot. Out step cross. Out step cross. Right foot again. Ready? Out step cross. Left. Out step cross. All right, let's try that from the top. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. And a right foot and a left foot. Out step cross. Out step cross. Okay. I add a little seasoning to that second move. I call it a little flavor. It's a little arm movement that goes with it. This kind of adds a little, little pizzazz to the dance. You can choose to do it or not, but I'm going to show you just in case you want to add a little flavor to it. So watch. Okay. Step, 2, here, watch. And out step, cross. And out step, cross. Once again, when I stick my foot out, that's when I bring the arm down. I close my fingers and I bring you down. I put this your left hand on your hip. So it's around, out, step, cross. When you cross, you put the other hand on your hip. You take the left hand around the front of your face. Out, step, cross. Okay? So you can add the arm if you like. I will. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. And a step and push. Step and push. And an out, step, cross. Out, step, cross. All right. Next move. You're going to go right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. 2 forward, 2 backwards. Right, left, right, left. All right, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Next move, you're going to pivot, right foot. We're about to turn facing the left. 5, turn 6, cross in front, right foot 7, stick out on 8. Okay, let's do that again. Here we go. Right, left, right, left, right, turn, cross right in front, stick out the left on 8. All right, let's try that part. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, from the top, here we go. Ready? And step and push, step and push, and an out step, cross, and an out step, cross. Then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, our last count of 8, and then we're done. This is the one that involves a little bit more footwork, but you can do it. Believe me. We're going to face the opposite, not the front wall, but behind me. I'm going to turn around. I'm going to lift up my right foot and turn over my right shoulder. So I'm going to scoot over a little bit so you can see my feet. So we're here. The last count, turn over your right shoulder. 1, cross over the left 2, 2, out 3. On 4, you're going to face the back wall. Left foot was going to lead for the rest of the dance. Left, pivot, and then a left lock step. Left, right, left. I know that was a lot, but that's the whole sequence right, pivot, left foot, turn, lockstep left, left, right, left. All right, so let's do, that's the whole dance. Everything from the top. First count of 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the only time you face the back wall is on one count, and that is the number 4. The other counts, you're either facing the front for the first 2 counts of 8, or this wall or that wall. So that's the part I really want to emphasize, is when it comes to that footwork. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm at the left wall. 7, 8. The next one, I'm going to go to the right wall. 4, 2, 3, pivot. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the entire dance. There's a certain part of the song where I say break. A break is like a little, it's like a little 8 count. On the break, you just do a little simple, like a V step. It's right, left, back, right, left. So whenever I say break, usually I go like this to show that there's a break in the sequence, and you just go right, left, back, right, back. And that is the entire dance. So I'm going to do it without the music, and then we'll do it with the music. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1. Step and push, step and push, out, step, cross, and then out. Footwork. Right, left, right, turn, cross, out, cross, over, step, pivot, turn, lock, step, and then the break, right, left, left. If there is no break, you just go straight out of the lock step and start from the top. All right, that's the whole dance. Let's do this dance with some music. Here we go. Try it out. Give yourself a chance. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you. This is Malinda signing off. Bump that jam. I hope you like that jam.